Hi, my name is Ethan Stone, and I'm going to teach you how to make mac and cheese. There are several ingredients that you need to make this dish, so we're going to list them off in order. For the first ingredient, you'll need cheese. Next, you'll need some milk, noodles, and butter. You will also need at least 2 measuring cups, a baking dish, and a pot to boil the water in. So the first thing we're going to do is pour water into our pot and bring it to a boil. Once the water comes to a boil, we'll pour in the noodles and let them cook for 10 minutes. While your noodles are cooking, you can get your ingredients together. Pour at least half a cup of milk, 2 cups of cheese, and half a stick of butter. Once the noodles have cooked, drain them, and then we can put our ingredients in and start mixing. First, put in slices of butter, then add in the cheese, and finally add in the milk, and then stir it all together. Now we'll pour it into our baking dish. Spread it out evenly. Then we'll add the rest of our cheese and spread it out over the dish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and bake for 25 minutes. Once it's done, it should be a golden brown color on top. And depending on how much milk you add, it'll be creamy inside. And for the final step, simply plate and enjoy.